Hello everybody. Today let's talk about how to open your account to the public and make your account visible. And it can help you to gather more followers. And you know, a lot of signal providers need this kind of function to help them to make other traders follow their trading records, and it will help them do the marketing, and they can get more clients to follow their signals. And in Fintechee trading platform, we provided this kind of function as well. So after you sign up and create a new account, and you can open your records to the public. Of course, the default option is private mode, so you don't open your trading records to the public at the beginning. And after you select this mode, and your records will be open to the public. And it's very simple to do, and just click the user icon and open the accounts panel, and you can see an option there, and this option shows you how to open your trading records. Just check this option and confirm, and your account will be set to the state of being open to the public. So now every other trader can see your trading records. If you don't do that, if you deselect this option, and your records will keep secret, will be kept secret, and it will not be open to the public. It's safer, but you cannot do business marketing activity. So they have merits and they have demerits as well. Of course, and you can share your records even in private mode as well, because we provide a investor password. So you can set your investor password to a simple number. For example, you can set investor password as 123456 and tell your followers your investor password, and they can follow you. That's another method to open your traders or open your trading records to the public. Okay, so today's topic is about how to open your records to the public, and hope you feel helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.